How to fix call ended problem on Android. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So this problem might have caused because of your network issues. So consider moving to an area with better internet. The next solution can be recharging your balance. If you do not have sufficient balance, your call will be dropped. So yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.